I can't really say that this is an unboxing video because I already opened it, but that's the sticker on the front. Like, there's nothing on it. Look at that. Look at that. The sticker that was on the plastic. I had to properly take it out of the plastic because it's a double album. So, it opens like this. Got some, oh, nice. There we go. Some liner notes here. Some more over here, you know. The original artwork, you know. You got Billy when he was keeping his hair. You got Darcy over there. Jimmy Chamberlain. James up there. All the original artworks here. Which is, well, that I can tell so far. It's really nice. Nice, really nice looking. In the back with nothing on it. And it's like a foil, like a magic card. Like it's got the shiny bitness to it. Then there's actually this little slidey piece. I was almost thinking of getting a frame and putting it up, you know, just putting like pictures, like small. It's fucking upside down. Or what is it doing? Anyways, I was thinking of like maybe framing it and putting like pictures in the corners. Might be pretty cool. The records themselves. Yeah, I know it's hard to see the writing, even with good like proper bright lighting. It's hard to see the writing. Yeah. Number 2. Even I can barely read side A, side B, and I've got naked eyes over here. In the back picture. And then nicely, like, look at that. Nicely printed freaking lyric sheets. Like, I'm sure there's a few lines I'm gonna be like, ah, that's what he's saying. But yeah, that's my, nothing too fancy, but, oh, yeah. Like, look at that, nice and fat on the end. Right on, kiddies. That's the Pope. Behave, be safe. Peace, love, and anarchy.